My three spoiled bulldogs just taking a nap on the couch. You see, Maddie is almost asleep. Jake is asleep. And little Dallas, you're not asleep, are you? Oh, so sleepy. And where's our T-Bow? I hear him coming. There's a baby. You're gonna wake everybody up. Everybody's asleep. Where are you sleeping? Under Mama's desk? Yes. Look at, they're all asleep. No, don't wake them. Oh no. Oh no, buddy. Don't wake them. They're sleeping. Gotta see what Mommy's doing now. Oh, T-Bow, let Dallas sleep. You let her sleep. Oh, living the good life. Spoiled little English bulldogs. What do you think, T-Bow?